How to delete your Wealthfront account and transfer investments. The very first thing you want to do is simply decide between ACATS transfer or full liquidation. You can either initiate a ACTS transfer directly from your new brokerage using your Wealthfront account number, or if you want to liquidate to cash, you can log into your Wealthfront dashboard or your application, and in here you'll actually need to select a account you wish to close. For example, it could be cash account or automated investment, and then from here you can simply tap on a withdrawal option and select withdraw full balance. Wealthfront will sell the ETFs holdings, settle the cash, and also transfer it to your linked bank account, and then you can simply close your account. For that, once the account balance reaches to $0.00, you can simply navigate to settings. For that, tap on the settings icon on the top left, then you can get into accounts, tap on that one, and then if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to find close account next to the relevant account and confirm it, and that way you'll successfully be able to delete your Wealthfront account and transfer your investment.